She's a girl na hindi maluho. She's a girl na hindi mo kailangang gastusan para makontento sa'yo. She's a girl na all she want is to be with you. And all she want is your time and effort. Pre, keep mo yung ganyang babae. Kasi bihira na lang ngayon yung hindi maarte. Mapagmahal sa pamilya, may pangarap at respeto sa sarili. Hanapin mo yung babaeng maayos. Hindi basta babae lang. Much love and God bless.
Sarap pa naman dyan pagkain sa Bye Bye Restaurant. Wow, ang ganda na ng Bye Bye Restaurant. Ayun. Ah, ito naman ang ano, inayos. Ayun. Ah, hindi pala traffic ngayon. Pag Friday traffic siya, no? So guys, mauni siya ang Kabayan Supermarket. Nay Diana Jewelries, Maram Accessories and Perfume. So galing po kami sa Paris nag-shopping, tapos dito ko alam pumunta pala kami dito sa may Kabayan Suk Filipino Market. Oh, Divisoria daw, mayroong Divisoria sa kabila. So tahimik ngayon because it's not Friday. So we're going now to exit. Ayan, so dito naman yung doon pala na ano na natin yung Fanar. City Soup. Ito yun. So nag-ikot-ikot tayo. So we're going now to exit in Cornitz. Cornitz, all the way to Cornitz area. So ganito po ang buhay cleaner. So that one is the Horizon Hotel where before we love to come for the disco party. So dito tayo. Yes, dito naman is papunta na talagang Cornitz. So Cornitz na siya. So nakita niyo yan, Al Cornitz. So doon yung museum. Qatar Museum on that side. And this
எப்படி அந்த ட்ராக்ல இருந்தவன் அங்க நேரா அந்த ட்ராக் இருக்கு தானே அந்த கட்டிங் ட்ராக் இருக்கு தானே.
So ito guys, hindi pa rin siya tapos. Yung elevator underground from this side going to that side. For the metro, I think. Yeah, yes. So in that side, with that too much flag, it was built before the FIFA World Cup here in Qatar. So as you can see, we have different flags over there. So that is the Box Park. And that is the biggest crane in Al Bida. Thank you for watching.